Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And in today's video, I will be talking about an easy way using which you can find if your iPhone device is real or not. So without any further delay, let's get started with the video. Alright, to find out that if your iPhone device is the original one or if it is fake, there is an easy way to do that. So for that, you just have to take the serial number of your iPhone device, and to get the serial number, you just have to go to the settings of your iPhone device, and then you have to go to the general section. Here at the top, you just have to tap about, and here you will get all the details about your iPhone device. All right, so here you will also get the serial number, as you can see. And now if you will long press it, you will see the copy option. You can simply tap it to copy the serial number, and this will get copied. All right, now the next step you need to do is you just have to open the Safari browser on your device, and on Safari you need to go to the Apple's website. All right, so for that you can just type Apple serial number check. All right, you can simply type it, and this will show you this website at the top: checkcoverage.apple.com. check your service and support coverage. So you just have to go to this website, and here you will get this blank field where you can enter your serial number. So you again have to long press, and you will get the option to paste the serial number. So simply tap it, and then you have to enter this code as well, and then tap continue. So if your iPhone is real, this page will show all the relevant information regarding your phone. All right, first of all, you will see this valid purchase date. All right, so it means that Apple has identified your iPhone's device purchase date. All right, it means it is an original product. All right, and apart from that, if your technical support is active, or if you have the repair and service coverage active, so it will also show in green. Otherwise it might show in yellow exclamation. All right, so make sure it is showing all this information, and it is showing a valid purchase date, and that is the one thing that you can check to know if your iPhone is real or not. All right, so yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to stay notified of all my latest videos. And for now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.